Hello and welcome back, everybody. I got something a little new for you today, and it's new for me as well. So I went out today, I woke up and decided, you know what, magnet fishing looks pretty cool. So I bought a full magnet fishing kit, and I'm out here at Brady's Run Park. We're gonna get down here in the water, hopefully further down towards the dam there, and maybe we'll strike treasure today, maybe not. And most likely we're just gonna find some beer cans and fishing hooks. But anyhow, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and keep joining me for more adventures. Let's see what we find today. Well, yeah, that concludes today's video. Somehow the magnet flew off this carabiner. I don't even know how that happened, but guess we'll be back for round 2.